Abracadabra! Happy Halloween! What shall we twist today? Please welcome in clown action!
Start by pumping up your 5-inch round white balloon. Now pump up your pink balloon. Tie a knot. And make 6 loop twists of approximately the same size. You can now pop off the excess and tie a knot. Make sure to hide that knot in the middle. This makes the flesh behind the eyeball. Now tie your white round balloon into the middle of the flesh. Now pump up your red scrap balloon and make a 10cm bubble. And leave a tail. Tie the red balloon into one of the loop twists that you made for the flesh. Now to make the blood droplet, this is method 1. Try to squeeze the balloon from the 10cm bubble until it reaches to the tip of the balloon. But if this is too hard for you, there's a second method to how to do this. Using that 10cm bubble, make a little bubble and slowly squeeze the air until it reaches the tip of the balloon. And the twisting part is done. Now to draw the eyeball. Outline the iris and color it in. We're going to use blue. To make the bloodshot eye, use a red marker to draw little veins shooting out of the iris. And your eyeball is complete.
Whoa, I have a balloon eyeball. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.